Hello my wonderful fans, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be talking about a new USDT earning platform that was recently launched. It claims you can earn some amount of USDT daily, directly to your wallet. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. I cannot guarantee that you will earn from this platform, so please do your own research. What works for me might not work for you. So, always apply caution and be smart when trying any new earning site. From experience, about 70% of platforms like this pay during their early stage, right after launch. Only those who join early usually benefit the most. However, about 70% of these platforms also stop paying after a few weeks or months. So again, be careful and apply wisdom before investing your time or money. I will not be showing the full details of this USDT earning website here on YouTube. If you want to see the complete tutorial and full information, please join our Telegram channel using the second link below this video's description. On your screen now is the interface of the USDT earning website. You can see the registration section and some features of the site. To get more details and information, visit our Telegram channel. Here is a small first payment I received from the website. It looks real and quite interesting, but remember, this is not a guarantee. You are free to try the website if you are interested. Hopefully, this video helps anyone out there. That's all I can share about this platform for now. Always research deeply before investing online. Again, I'm not a professional financial advisor, and I can't guarantee any earnings. Please be wise and stay safe. This video is not an endorsement. I am only reviewing and sharing what the platform claims.